Good afternoon, or no, good evening, Team Beast. And for the, oh, looks like we got a dirty camera. Okay, Team Beast, let's see here. Good evening. Good evening, Team Beast, and for those of you joining us for the very first time, thank you for clicking on Beast Capacity Outdoors. I'm your leader, Team Beast, Daddy Beast, and this is a quick update on the first leather piece for the leather order I gotta get done and fast. Just been inundated with a whole bunch of other stuff too. So, alright, let's get to it, shall we? It's done, pretty much. Got a couple more stitches to do, but cartridge box is done. So, all put together, belt loops, flap, closure, flap, all tooled on the sides, on the front. Micro mark on the back. That's about it. Sorry I didn't do the whole damn thing, but you got pieces of it. You got to see it. So, talk to you later. Be good, be kind.